Cops raises alarm at fully dunce trend among inner city youth.
Me dogs them fully dunce. Anywhere we go, we are be.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police are raising concerns about a trend that is said to be emerging in some inner city communities, involving youngsters widely using a set of new slangs to praise individuals who display dark and deviant behaviors, and who openly promote that they are fully illiterate and therefore lack all forms of normal reasoning.
Shot fly through the room, the super tumble down when them hear the dunce dogs, them a come.
The police said that the term fully dunce is becoming hip and trendy in some communities, and is now being used by persons to declare their willingness to resort to violence to deal with issues because they supposedly lack reasoning ability to resolve problems differently. It is a trend we see popping up and being displayed on social media.
Yeah man, fully dunce. The whole of my follower them dunce, but 1 year I come on up tired of me and move me out of this kind of dunce. Fully dunce, but.
Individuals who are deemed members of the younger generation using slang to praise those individuals who openly disclose that they are illiterate.
Fix them out and print them dunce, darkness, night time, worst generation.
Dark like midnight, not open to reason, and most of all, they are claiming that they are fully dunce.
Friend them dance, murder you. No I do. Osh, touch them out.
First grade degree in dunceness.
Tell them the boss. Scholarship. Even know that.
To think that we have now reached a stage where we are hearing individuals criticizing those who strive to educate themselves and instead praise those who are illiterate.
We never come here to go to school, we never talk about mix up. Nobody come here to a school. I'm like gonna take this thing in a school, you know.
While some members of the public may brush this aside as nothing serious, it is an implication that members of the security forces have to face daily when manning streets across the country. It is now time for officials in other agencies to start an educational campaign to reach out to these individuals and to outline to them that the path they are taking of praising individuals who drop out of school and are proud to say they are illiterate is dangerous. Cops say they strongly believe that if this is not addressed quickly, sooner or later, these individuals will become hardened criminals with a new group of generation of violence producers who are not open to reason, and this could only spell destruction for the country. The police also said the new trend is noticeably being pushed by some entertainers.
You shoulda never make it dance dogs. 50 caliber. Inspire. Circle them in.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.